there's this this icon right here where whenever you click on it, you can add the mailing name. So if you go in and you specify a mailing name, then it will use it. If there's no mailing name, then it's going to use the first name, last name. So whenever you go in, you can select the people that you want and then exclude them. One of the things that I will be doing and having this so that if there are two mailing names on the labels, we'll give you the option to exclude the secondary label. That way you don't have, you're printing multiples of the same record. Because theoretically you could go in there and you could be printing, John and Mary Smith. John's one record, Mary's another record. Both of them have John and Mary Smith in the mailing name. Why print two of them, and if they're the same record, we can just skip over them.